phone up to the screen because I've got it on my phone. Okay, just to give you a little bit of an indicatory proof that there is a lot of trading going on across various different exchanges. Binance, obviously, is the one I'm going to show today, and I'll show inside our. I'll show you via my phone. I can show you inside our Binary account as well. Okay, for Binary. And we do have a small part of actual Forex trading going on too. Okay, but primarily, guys, the only reason I'm doing this, like I said, is for transparency, so that you can see everything is actually as we say it is, and that everything is the way that we say. So, without further ado, I welcome you inside our Binance account. Okay, now, I hope that you can all see this okay. Okay, up here, I'm going to show you estimated value $103,000 in this account. So that's 18.5 BTC at this present time. Of course, these numbers do jump and change as per trade. Okay, here, what I'm going to show you at the minute, guys, is our current balances. Okay, so this is what we're actually holding at the present time. So we are in EOS quite heavily, 9 BTC in there. That's about $48,000 in EOS at the minute. Okay, now obviously, like I said, I am showing this just for transparency reasons. Of course, I'm going to be doing quite a lot of these. If you wish to copy them up, by all means, it's not a problem. However, I'm only doing this for transparency. I'm not showing any form of like where we entered all of these types of things. All right, so just take this from a transparent thing. If you want to do the follow-up, if you want to do the copy trades, etc., use the Telegram group in order to do that, please. Okay, we're also quite big in Nano at the minute. 0.73 of a BTC in there, 3.5 Bitcoins worth of Litecoin. We're holding here just under 4 BTC of Ethereum, 0.3 Monero. Okay, so you can see that at the minute in Binance we've got quite a bit of a scattered bag. Okay, let me just bring this down a little bit, and we're going to go to here it is. My bad. Here we're going to go to, first of all, let's go for trade history. Okay, so this is inside the trade history. Okay, these are all of the buy orders, as you can see. Buying EOS against USDT, buying ZEC against BTC, BCH, ABC. Ethereum, buying also Litecoin down here, and you can see here, so this is the 21st, 22nd, a lot more on the 21st. So obviously yesterday we know that the market made a rather large move early yesterday. And obviously all through the night before, and the bill was up watching it, so you can see that these trades went around about 11:30. Okay, and these are all just trades that are going on, guys. Okay, so this is all of the buy orders going in, buying. Okay, now obviously this goes in as one order, but this is where it's actually buying it from separate different sell orders. Okay, let's go to order history. Okay, so in here, okay, so this is the orders, and this is the executive orders essentially to actually be purchasing and selling, etc., into the exchanges. So here you can see they've sold some BCH. Across here we've got okay, buy limits, sell limits, market, etc. Okay, so all of this is pretty self-explanatory stuff. Trade history goes through all of the trades. Okay, so in here you can see all of the buy orders, and obviously a lot of these are to be sold. Okay, the bill really was going for it a couple of nights ago. As we can see here on the 21st. Okay, all of these of different values. Like I said, this would be one big buy order that would just be filled by many different sell orders. Obviously, he's bought for EOS, as we saw before, he bought like 45 grand's worth of it. So, yeah, you'll be able to see that quite clearly. And here we're going to go back. Let's go to page 9, page 11. And here you can see that he started selling out of some. Again, this is actually on the 21st. So this was selling out of some orders when the first move came. This is funds just being sent around. And obviously we've already done it, but I will just bring it, for the sake of this, I shall just bring it back to open orders. Yeah, you have no open orders. Okay, so he's not got any orders waiting to buy. They've all obviously been bought, as we can see here. Okay, guys, so really this is the inside our Binance account, guys. Okay, so this is the proof in it. This is the proof of the pudding, so to speak. Okay, that actually shows all of the trades that are actually going on. Okay, now I know obviously to show the actual profit loss, things like that. Okay, do keep up with the Telegram group, because obviously it puts out the percentages in there. It's a little bit hard for me to do it, especially here, based on trying to do it in this scenario, goes to try and show you. I mean, there's no direct profit table that I can actually see either. Yeah, there's no direct profit table that I can actually see either, okay, which doesn't make life very, very helpful either. So obviously you have to go through and you've got to work out kind of one by one as you are going